Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS applied visual design. And we're going to learn a cool effect of how to make an element fade using the animations. So to make it fade, the key property we have to change is the opacity. And that's tells how transparent something is. So we want to lower the opacity to make it more transparent. And then we have keyframes to make this a gradual process. And for this exercise, we want to target the element with the ID of ball. So we see here, this is the HTML, ID of ball. This is a ball, goes here, and it has an animation of fade. So we can add the keyframes of it, and at 50% of it, it goes left. And then we can also add the fade to it as well. So opacity at 50%, we're going to make it 0.1. We can see how there's a fade to it. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.